Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today I will give you some fill in the blanks and questions as I have given all the question answers of the chapters. See, I'll show you the contents. Okay. The old woman who lived in a bottle, I have given you the question answers. Neighbors, I have given you the question answers. Fortune and the beggar, I have given you the question answers. Posters, I have given you the question answers, and the painting contest, I have given you the question answers. So today I will give you the fill in the blanks of some related questions from these chapters. So today we'll go to chapter number Fortune and the Beggar. See, I will give these questions. Okay, this one. Then we'll go afterwards. So first question, my pencil is dash than yours. That means it is mentioning over here that his pencil is must be longer. So the answer will be longer. The date tree is dash than any other tree. We understand that date tree means in Bengali we call khejur gach. The date tree is dash than any other tree. What will be there? Thicker, longer, taller, lesser, bigger, largest. So the answer will be taller. Taller than any other tree. The novel is much dash than your course book. Our course book means your subject related books, and the novel is much more thicker. Thicker means in Bengali called mota. So the answer is thicker. Now the crowd is dash today than it was few days ago. Here the crowd is mentioning or it will be if it will be lesser or it will be more. So the answer is lesser. Okay. The crowd is lesser today than it was few days ago. Watermelon is then dash than musk melon. Now what is watermelon? You know what is musk melon? You all understand. So watermelon is dash than musk melon. So watermelon is bigger than musk melon. Sorry, here it will be T like this. Okay, don't put taller. Taller than other tree. Now watermelon is bigger than musk melon. Now Ganga and the Brahmaputra make the dash delta in the world. Ganga and Brahmaputra makes the largest delta in the world. So the one more time I'll go for the answers. My pencil is longer than yours. The date tree is taller than any other tree. The novel is much thicker than your course book. The crowd is lesser today than it was few days ago. Watermelon is bigger than musk melon. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra makes the largest delta. So it is page number 27. Write it from here. Now we will go page number 35. See here, fill the blanks with question words and answer them. Dash is your name. So question marks means what is your name? Number 2, dash were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Dash is your examination. When is your examination? Dash are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Dash is going with you. Who is going with you? Dash is your pen. Where is your pen? Dash old are you? How old are you? Dash is your favorite game. Which is your favorite game? So one more time I'll go for the questions. Dash is your name. What is your name? Dash were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Dash is your examination. When is your examination? Dash are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Dash is going with you. Who is going with you? Dash is your pen. Where is your pen? Dash old are you? How old are you? Dash is your favorite game. Which is your favorite game? So now we'll go for the match the following. Small, big, nowhere, everywhere. Strong, weak, children, adult. Strange, familiar. One more time. Small, big, nowhere, everywhere. Strong, weak, children, adult. Strange, familiar. So you have to make sentence with this, like how is Raju was not weak but strong. So here strong and weak has been included. So you have to make sentence with along with these words. Now I'll go for the match the proverbs. Okay. The early bird catches the worm. Means those who come first get their prizes. So which one is suitable for from here? The person who takes the opportunity has an first advantage. Number one. When the cat's away, the mice will play. So when teachers are not there, you are always playing through in your classroom. So like that only. When the cat's away, the mice will play. So to enjoy when the person in charge is not there. Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can be because beggars cannot be choose. So they have no choices. So to be satisfied with what is available. Okay. Number 4. He who laughs last laughs longest. So he who laughs last laughs longest means those who laughs always getting their laugh, always laughs at others. Like so the another person may be more successful in the end. The pen is mightier than the sword. Authors and poets have a greater effect than soldiers. Authors and poets have a greater effect than soldiers and words. To blow one's own trumpet. To blow one's own trumpet means to praise himself. This is number 6. So I hope you have understood and completed all the thing. You will complete this thing. And please try to show me by writing in your copy. If you got any queries, then you just ask me through your WhatsApp. So one more time I'll tell the page number so it will be easy for you to understand. Page number is 27. Page number is 35, 36 and 37. So I hope you understand. If you got any queries, just ask me. So thank you very much.